Well, that did not go as planned.
Hyvää vappua! Glada vappen!
We have this thing called vappu in Finland.
It's celebrated on the 30th of April and the 1st of May. The history is quite complex and confusing, and why we celebrate this, nobody really knows. It was a saint
Something.
Where sometimes.
You can Google it.
Or not, because you will honestly get more confused. But hey!
I can try to summarize it for you though. So we put on white graduation hats and then we drink sima and we eat tippaleivät. We get drunk and then we buy balloons and sing songs in parks. We eat herring and of course you can go to sauna anytime. And
yeah, it's honestly pretty confusing. But you know, traditions.
Okay, Emilia just flew her drone into a tree.
This is the first time something like this has happened. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Let's go find it. Which way is this map supposed to be? Is it closer to here? What the heck? But what the heck? Okay.
Yeah, I found it.
Ellie saw it in the grass. Oh my gosh, me be alive. So it has taken some damage to the wings here. This is just trash by now. Here. Let's repair. I'm so glad it wasn't stuck up in a tree.
Yeah.
That would have been pain.
I will leave you for now because I don't want to get a parking ticket. So
Okay, then you run and I will stay behind taking some more photos. And
yeah, you
then
just get up back in the saddle.
see you back at the car.
Okay.
Bye.
Well, that did not go as planned, and neither will this vappu.
No, we will not be able to celebrate as we used to because of the situation.
Corona. But that's okay. At least we get our food. See you later. I will go get my tippaleivät.
It's heavy.
Nej, det går inte att hjälpa.
Okej, jag kommer att hjälpa.
Så. People will think that we are
Crazy, mad,
that
bananas.
Probably bananas, but I was gonna say that we are faking this episode because I have my hair up and then I have it down and then I have it up. But we are not faking it. I can't decide. I'm having a very bad hair day. I just want to say we're not faking anything.
It's really, really okay. It's a part of van life. No, you can have good hair in a van, but you know.
So tired, so hungry, let's go. they were out of tippaleivät in the store, but we bought donuts instead. That's also good. And we have our sima.
Yeah!
Yeah!
And we made it to the destination for today. Here we will camp out tonight. And tomorrow we will be joined by some friends.
Yeah! But I guess this is where this day ends. In the sunset. That's good. Not bad.
So, cheers!
Cheers to a good life. It's so good! She doesn't like the fish.
Today we celebrate Labor Day and all people working. So everyone gets a day off.
Yeah.
Like, well, not everyone.
Thank you, all the corona fighters. Good job. And good job, all people staying at home. Good job, everybody. Good job. Good job.
Good job!
Yeah, we're doing well. We're all in this together. Da, 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 da. Oh, jag stoppar i onak.
Hey!
I got it. Det var bara...
Celebrated vappu pretty well considering corona. Except maybe the distance.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, anyways. So nice work!
No, vi testar vinter.